All right, so it is June 5th, Friday. So this switched to algorithm right here. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this. We do have a switch. We just got to wait for this candle to close in about 15 seconds or so. And then we'll be in. Hopefully we'll have a good end of the week right here. We shall see. Got 5 seconds. So as soon as the algorithm switches and the candle closes confirming, volume agrees, we have permission, we're in. All right. Okay, so we'll mark it up. All right, so this particular stock has been giving me a 90% win rate, so hopefully that trend will continue, and we're gonna have a nice easy winner today. So anyway, all right, we'll be back in a little bit. We'll see if we'll see what happens. All right, so we made it to the first target, so we'll change our stop price to the first target, and then if it backs up, we'll be out with a 1-to-1, and all good. It's a 1-to-1 strategy, so as long as we get 1-to-1, we're good. Anything after that's bonus money. I am tempted though to just mark it out of this thing when it gets a little boost, just to take a little extra cash and then head out for the day. This is gonna be the only stock I'll be able to trade today. I don't have time to trade the rest of the day. I got to get some stuff done, take some stuff to the dump, things like that, get stuff done around the house. So, I mean, of course, I'll leave my charts up, and if I happen to walk by, it's the perfect timing and something's there, I'll take it. But I think I'm going to spend most of the time outside today. So, yeah, right now I really want to just hit the sell order and just take a little extra bonus money and bounce out of here. But we'll put our stop in here and we'll wait and see if it'll keep on running, and maybe we'll get a 2-to-1 out of it. All right, so we are stopped out, and yeah, we'll take our 1-to-1. Nice way to end the week on a green note, which is awesome. And then we'll be back next week. I'm not gonna be able to trade that much next week. Maybe only a couple days. I do have a bunch of content that I need to create. I'll probably do a little bit of trading on the side, but I'll be recording for other content, so I don't know if I'll be able to bring too much to YouTube next week. I'll see what I can do. Hopefully, I can get at least a couple days in. But yeah, hope everybody had an awesome day, and hope everybody's growing their account nice and. Sometimes you got to do a bunch of small wins to grow a big account instead of just going after those home runs every time. It's a little easier sometimes just to chop away at small wins. So that's what we're doing here. We got another. I mean, it's kind of a big win actually, huh? Not too bad for the account size. Anyway, hope everybody's doing great, and we'll see you next week.